Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your REALME 6, for the first you have to go for the settings, and right now scroll down, click on the fingerprint, face and the password. Right now we have to click, for example, on the lock screen password, and currently we got set up the pattern, so let's click on the modify, draw our pattern again and click on the other encryption methods. So for example, we can go for the 4-digit password and input your new password, click on the use and do the same. And right now we set up new lock method, so let's try if it is working. So lock our smartphone, unlock, and right now we have to input our lock method. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.